on what is the OneDrive. So first of all, the first will be what is OneDrive. Okay, and you can put some bullet points here. Bullet points, bullet point, and like OneDrive is a cloud storage from what is developed by the Microsoft Corp. Okay. We will get 5 GB free storage after creating the account in OneDrive. OneDrive can be synced up with the um, Microsoft Windows operating system. Like you can add the information, you can like give the title, and you can put some information here, and you can also like if you want to insert any image or if you want to insert any screenshot, you can do this also. Let's say here insert pictures the same way. Smart okay, by the way, I have this image, I don't know. uh okay, so I have this image, so I just put this image here. So and here also you can readjust this box also. Like here I see some more space, I can also there's some space here. Okay, okay, then you can simply, what you can do, you can simply duplicate this. Like yeah, you want to keep on the same format, so you can just simply duplicate this, and you can just change like what are the functionalities of OneDrive. Why I put right driver every time? Okay, drive. And also like say I want just make it 38, 36. Okay, good. And then you can change the information here also. Okay, then here also you can see this is the very like good thing. See here you can see like some design you can choose for this specific slide. Okay, let's say I just this one, it's looking good. See, like yeah, though this picture is irrelevant. Okay, let me download from OneDrive. OneDrive. Why I write driver every time? OneDrive um logo. Okay, this is the logo. But the image is this one. Okay, copy this image. Go here. Instead of with this picture, paste it. Okay, and select like this. See, now it's looking good. And also like if you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, so this one is looking good. Okay, and also like if you want to add some animations, you can also add some animations there also. Okay, like select this, click on the animations, and like fade. Okay, select this fade. How it works there, and also there are so many animations have fade. Okay, so it will work only present. If you present this, okay, this is a presentation, this is here. See, this is how you can add also animations, like here, fly in. This one will come with the like box, or appear, wipe. Okay, so just simply present. Okay, so this is how also you can add the animations in your text box, in your images. Okay, and also like I already showed you, like if you want to add the pictures, you can add the pictures. You can, if you want to add the shapes, you can add the shapes also. If you want to add the icons, you can also add the icons here. Okay, then this one also, if you want to add, put some comment here, you can put the comment here, like the way we did, we showed you into the Excel file. The same thing, you can just select, or you can just select here and you can put the comment and it will add the comment here. Okay, and also if you want to add any audio here, like when you will come to this slide, it will open, it will play audio. You can add the insert audio here. See, it will just select audio file, mp3 file, mp3 format. And also if you want to attach a video, online video, you can just um uh, insert your YouTube. Here you can see the slide share, or the Vimeo, or the stream video. Okay, and you can insert this. And this one is the add-ins basically, the you can also say plugins. uh, so by adding these third-party plugins, you can do your work like easily. It's basically based on the add-ins, which add-ins you are using. So don't use random add-ins, because some add-ins, some plugins, those are like uh some malware they contains. Okay, so that's why just try to use the plugins which one have good reviews, good ratings, and also about that plugins, how it works. Okay, so by using these plugins, you can do a lot of things, and all these plugins are basically um, from the third party companies. Okay, so you can simply just add those and you can use the plugins. So all these plugins is used for different purpose. So and there are a lot of plugins are available in the market. Anyway, so this one you can do. And also in the presentation, I mean PowerPoint presentation, if you want to like hyperlink anything, you can simply click on and give the address here, and this is all of text will be the hyperlinked. And yeah, and if I go to the draw is the same. And the design here, you can change the design also from here also. See, it will just changing the design to keep the background image. Okay, then the transitions is like transitions is like maybe the for the presentation. Yeah, this is the transition. See, okay, so let me change the design. Okay, now so here this is the transitions and the animations already you have familiar. And this is the slideshow, like from current slide or from beginning. You can just select the from beginning, so it will start from the beginning. And if you select the from current slide, so if the slide is selected, that slide will be like your current slide, and it will start from there. Okay. And yeah, after the like the important another important thing is, like, if you want to share your this file, like if you are working grouply, like three of your members, you are working into the same presentation, so you can simply give the share. So just share, click on the share, and you can give that person, that member's email address here. Okay. And you can also give the permission that anyone with this link, or specific people who would like to work for, or if anyone with the link can edit. If you can want to change, can view only, so by this they only can view, they cannot edit anything. Okay. So if we apply, let's say I make it view, apply, and this is the link. And if I give this link to you, so let me send you this link in so I send you this link in the Zoom chat. So if you open this link, you can only view this file, you cannot edit anything here. Okay. And also, like, if you want to uh, change the link information, just go there, and then you can change into the permission, into the edit, and then
I have a question. So for some
yes.
reason, can we like send it as like we can change it, like you're saying we cannot change if we are working together and one person is doing his part and then I have to do mine. Can
Mhm.
we send it in other format, like where we can change it?
Yeah, for that you can just simply here click on the share, like, and then if you select this, and if you give the edit permission, then that person can go to the same link, and then they can, like, that
Change
person
it.
can, yeah, change and add the information.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. And even also you can set the password also. See, this is but this one is for the premium users, by the way. By the I'm a free user, so I cannot do this, unfortunately, but you can set the password also. So whoever will open this file, they have to give the password, so it can, you can give the security of your file also. Yeah. Okay. And the share is the same thing for the Excel. Share is the same thing for the doc file also. Okay. Here commenting is the same for all these applications. Okay. Okay. So okay. So this is the, like, like in the what it calls the OneDrive, we can do work with the work document, with the Excel workbook, or with the PowerPoint presentation. And also, like, if we want to upload something from our local machine, just simply click on the upload, click on the files, and here, from here, you can simply uh, select a file, and it will upload here. Okay. And also the same thing, if you want to download something, just select this and download, it will be downloaded. And if you delete this, it will be deleted. And if you copy to, like, or move to in somewhere in some other directory, just select the move to, and then show from here. Okay. Select a folder, so it will move, like, I want to move to this one into the desktop, so just select the desktop and click move here. So this file will be moved into the desktop, and it's saying this file is already open. If you move it, you might lose changes. So let me close this and move anyway. Okay. See, it's moved. It's now, I can see, into the desktop. See. So this is how you can move, or you can copy from one directory to another directory. Okay. And if you go to the recent, you will see the all the recent files you worked on. Okay. This is the photos. and this is the shared. Into the shared, you can like whatever you have shared with uh which file you have shared with whom, you can see from here also. And this is the recycle bin. After deleting a file, it will come into the recycle bin. Then if you delete something from the recycle bin, it will be deleted permanently from your OneDrive. Otherwise, it will you can restore, it will can restore the file from the recycle bin. Okay. And some other apps also here, like the teams. By the teams, you can set up the meeting, you can communicate with the teams. Then the to do is the like, if you can, by using this, you can do like your to-do list, you can set up your to-do list. Okay. And the calendar, you can set up the calendar meeting. In Skype, you can, Skype is another platform to communicate, to video call and chatting, audio call. You can do a lot of things by the Skype. And Clipchamp, I'm not sure about the Clipchamp, maybe it's a video editor. Okay. And they have so many application, basically there are a lot of application they have. Okay. Okay, so any question?
No
I
question.
think.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good, Prantabhai.
Okay. Okay, so if you guys don't have any questions, so I think uh for today we can wrap up the workshop. So what you guys can do, you can uh, go to your OneDrive, and then you can like um in the documents, my documents, you can create a uh, documentation um from our documents and labs. And also you can create a presentation if for just do hands-on. And then also you can create in the Excel file, you can like create to track something or to manage something. You can do some works into the Excel file, and you just review with your team members. Okay. So by doing your hands-on, you will be more familiar with the functionalities of this application.
Okay, Prantabhai,
Yes.
can you put the action items in the group too? So,
Yeah, sure.
okay,
So I'll
okay.
give
So
you
we'll
the
have
action
like more
items.
ideas.
Okay. Okay, so I think if you guys don't have any questions, so I think we can wrap up the workshop for today.